Hi friend, this is 6 pieces of condom inside, and this one is ultra thin. We have 6 different kinds of condom for this side of brand. Now I open one, have a look. Inside is 6 pieces. 6 pieces. We have a CE certification and ISO certification. We have produced many kinds of brand in more than 160 different countries. Have a look. It is very easy to take out. Now let us to check the quality. Please, so many lubricant on it. And very thin. Now, let's do more tests. Have a look. So, when you want to find a good factory of condom in China, you can consider us.